What if getting dressed every morning felt effortless, elegant, like you always knew exactly what to wear? Today I'm breaking down the art of layering. Not the bulky, overthought kind, but the kind that looks intentional, polished and quietly expensive. Whether you're heading to work, a lunch date or just running errands, layering done right elevates every single outfit. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your wardrobe the same way again. Every elegant layered outfit starts with one thing, the base layer. This is your foundation and it matters more than most women realize. Think fitted ribbed tops, silky long sleeves or a simple crisp white shirt. Your base layer should be close to the body, nothing too loose, nothing too stiff. It needs to sit smoothly underneath everything else you add on top. Get your base right and the rest of your outfit will fall into place naturally and beautifully every single time. Once your base is set, it's time to add your mid-layer. This is where your outfit starts to take on personality and shape. A tailored vest, a fitted cardigan or a structured waistcoat are perfect mid-layer options. The key is to keep it fitted, never oversized at this stage. Your mid-layer should define your waist and add visual interest without adding bulk. Think of it as the layer that says, "She put thought into this." And that is exactly the energy we are going for. Now for the layer that ties everything together, the outer layer. This is your coat, your blazer, your long cardigan or your trench. The outer layer is what the world sees first, so make it count. Go for clean tailored silhouettes in neutral tones, camel, black, ivory or gray. Let it be slightly oversized compared to your mid-layer for that effortless thrown-on elegance. When your outer layer is right, your entire outfit looks expensive without trying. That is the formula. Here's where most women stop, but not you. Layering is not just about clothing pieces, it's also about texture and color. Mixing a satin slip with a soft knit, or a crisp cotton with a flowing chiffon creates visual depth that makes an outfit unforgettable. For color, stick to a tonal palette. Ivory with cream with camel. Black with charcoal with gray. When your tones flow together, your layers look intentional and luxurious. This is what separates a good outfit from a truly elegant one. Layering isn't just for formal occasions, and this look proves exactly that. Casual elegant layering is about taking relaxed everyday pieces and elevating them with one strong outer layer. A simple gray sweater becomes a statement the moment you throw a structured leather trench over it. Pair it with tailored trousers and clean boots and suddenly, your casual day outfit looks like it belongs in a fashion editorial. Effortless elegance is always intentional. Never accidental. In the workplace, how you dress is how you are perceived before you even speak. Workwear layering is about creating a look that commands respect the moment you walk into a room. A silk blouse layered under a sharp double-breasted blazer with matching tailored trousers, that is a uniform of confidence. Keep your palette bold but refined, emerald, navy, deep burgundy. Add a structured bag and your outfit does the talking for you. Dress like the position you want, not the one you have. And that is the outfit formula for layering. Simple layers. Intentional choices. Effortless elegance. You don't need a new wardrobe, You just need to understand how to work with what you already have. Start with your base, build your mid-layer, crown it with your outer layer, and never underestimate texture and color. If this video helped you, save it because you will want to come back to this. And I'll see you in the next one.